this is Michael Hickson from LifeSite News. We are here at the Castle of St. Michael the Archangel in Rome, and we're going to march with the Society of St. Pius X to St. Peter's Basilica down the road. And we are speaking here with one of the faithful who has come here to Rome, to the pilgrimage, on the occasion of the Jubilee Year. The Society is hosting it. People from all over the world are here. Yesterday's procession had up to 10,000 faithful joining the 600 priests and 200 nuns. And Bilko is speaking with us now, and I wanted to know from you, why did you come to this event?
Yes, I'm coming to the event, of course, of this year, the Holy Year. For every Catholic, it's really a great moment to be here, to be together with the Holy Father, and if we come from societies of Christians. Of course, for us, it's a very important moment. We are coming through Germany, Bavaria, and did a tour through Italy, and now we are here for a couple of days, enjoying the atmosphere. We were yesterday on the procession and visited the Holy Mass yesterday. It was very nice, definitely.
Yeah, so what would you say about the atmosphere among the people there? Yeah,
the atmosphere is unbelievable, and it's always impressing how many people, especially in the younger age, are there. So when we went to this procession yesterday, went to the Lateran, the big street, everything is filled. So many young people, it's unbelievable, so many young people. So we can really see that the tradition is very interesting for you, yeah, because they are looking for God, they are looking for the real sense of the life, and I think this is where they find this.
Very good, yes. And also, what do you hope that this pilgrimage would perhaps also do for the relations between the Society of St. Pius X and Pope Leo XIV?
I'm personally the cooler Pope, yeah, that he also sees that the Holy Father, that how committed the faithful are, how committed the society is to Rome, to Pope Leo. And yeah, of course, I mean, for the next year or maybe this year, we have this need that we need new bishops, yeah, for the ordination of priests, and hopefully then seeing this, that the Holy Father will also look for a way how to get how to make it possible.
Very good. Thank you so much, Nicholas.
Thank you very much for that.
I'm here with Father Trutt from Munich in Germany, who just led a group of pilgrims, of 60 pilgrims from Germany, southern Germany, to Rome, to the pilgrimage of the Society of St. Pius X, on occasion of the Jubilee Year, and for the processions that took place among them to St. John Lateran and also to St. Peter's Dome. And so, Father Trutt, thank you so much for speaking with us. Could we ask you, why did you go to Rome? Why did you lead the faithful to Rome?
I went to Rome because 25 years ago I haven't the ability to go there. So this year I said to me, now you have to.
Yes.
The second thing was Father Kruger, the superior of the district of Germany, asked me to lead one of the 3 buses to Rome, and I said, okay, I will then Rome.
And so did you have another deeper spiritual reason that you thought it was important for you to go?
Yes, because of the Jubileum, the Holy Year. I never were in a Holy Year there, and I heard from my father 25 years ago how impressioned it was, and so I said to me, this
opportunity
especially wouldn't come, and so I have to go.
Yeah, that's lovely. What was your impression? I mean, we had, I think on Thursday there were some 8 to perhaps even 10,000 faithful marching, processing to St. John the Lateran, and then Friday perhaps 7,000. I don't know the exact numbers right now. But what was your impression of the atmosphere and just being among all these traditional Catholics?
It was very great. event of the faith. I think to see all the seminarians, all the priests and the sisters and brothers and the faithful all are happy and they are singing and praying. It was an event of the faith which not so often will come. This was the great impression that I made.
That's lovely. What do you hope, next to, of course, that every faithful who came to pass through the holy door would receive the plenary indulgence and, all this personal grace that comes from such a pilgrimage, what would your hope be for the Society of St. Pius X, its relations to Rome? Or even a larger grace just by all of them being there? Would you have any hopes in this regard that comes for the priests?
It's not an easy question. I'll every time hope that faith and the love to Rome and to the Rome of eternity will be growing up more and more. This is my hope, and I think we saw many people who are there that this is our faith, and it's Rome with his faith of the eternity.
We are here with some young people from the Netherlands, and they're here at the castle of St. Michael the Archangel on the way to St. Peter's Basilica. And I wanted to ask you, why did you come?
I came here to make a statement that the tradition led to Mass, so that the Pope will see this and hopefully change some things in the church. So that's my reason to come here.
Very good.
And here because we support our Pope, we want to show that we are dedicated to the Roman Catholic faith, to the seal of Peter. And we love him, we pray for him, and we want to support him so that the church can accept back her traditions, which we love.
Very good, thank you. And what would you say?
Yeah, it is so heartening to see so many faithful here. I'm here to be part of that and represent the SSPX also. I do hope for a stronger return to tradition, and also that the church can, start coming together again instead of being more and more distant.
Thank you so much.
We are here with two young pilgrims who went the last couple of days to the pilgrimage of the Society of St. Pius X in Rome. They marched one day to the St. John Lateran Church, and then yesterday to St. Peter's. And so, we wanted to just ask you why you came to this pilgrimage, what your impressions were, and what you hope would come from this pilgrimage.
Alright, so I was hoping to get lots of grace and to meet many young people from all over the world. It was really amazing and very impressive to see how many we actually are, how many traditional Catholics there are in the world. And I was particularly moved by the song in the end to St. Pius X in the Basilica di San Pietro.
That's beautiful. And what do you hope will come from this pilgrimage with thousands of traditional Catholics from the Society of St. Pius X coming to Rome and, walking through the holy doors? And what would you hope would come from it, also with regard to the relations between the Society and Rome?
Yes, I really hope we're going to get more attention all over the world, and hopefully there's going to be more understanding and more passion toward the Catholic faith, and for especially the traditional Catholic faith.
Thank you. And what would you say?
So first of all, I came because I wanted to see all of us in one spot and just see how with a really storm heaven with all our prayers. And I was just fully overcome with the true faith and the whole atmosphere of joy and spirit and really love for our faith. Is when we were in St. Peter's, just in the middle of the church, all together and just singing the Credo and the Te Deum. It was just a moment that I will never forget. It was just filled my heart with joy that there's still so many of us out there. And of course, I'm hoping that, as in 2000 when this first happened, there was some better connections between us and the church or in the Pope. And I'm hoping, of course, that this would happen as well this time.
Thank you so much.
We are here at St. Michael's Castle and going on the way to St. Peter's Basilica. And I'm here with two young men from which country are you?
Switzerland.
From Switzerland. So your names were? Emmanuel. Samuel. That's with the name. So could you tell us why did you come on the procession, the Society of St. Christ, the one you had for the Jubilee Year?
So, to celebrate all the year with all the people, the Catholics, together us.
Yeah, exactly that. We came with the Clergy, I don't know.
The youth movement of the society, yeah?
It's okay. Yeah.
And how do you like the atmosphere?
It's British and it's so many people with all the same background room. But that's right. But which is really good because we see all of these Christian people all standing there before St. Peter. It's great.
Yesterday's procession from St. John to St. John the Lateran with 10,000 people. What was your impression there?
Yeah, it's beautiful to see so many people with the same religion. Yeah, it's faith in God, and it's walking down the streets and really the heart of that.
That's great fun. And what would you thought that from this visit to St. Peter's Dome today? What would it also perhaps bring to the society in relation to Rome, to the Pope?
Yeah, recognition was like he sees that many people, Paul, talking on it. I hope he likes it. And maybe we get something out of it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, a better connections to the Pope again. So.
Thank you so much. We'll enjoy the remaining time and processioning that starts in this room. We are speaking here with Pieter from the Netherlands.
Exactly.
And why did you come here to this pilgrimage of the Society of St. Pius X on behalf of the Jubilee Year on the way to St. Peter's Dome?
We came here with our youth group, so we came for the Holy Year. So with a group of 40, we came here with two fathers, and we're visiting all the important places in Rome, and that's why we came here.
And how do you enjoy the visit so far? Yesterday, did you go to St. John Lateran, and did you pass through the Holy Door yesterday?
Of course, yes, we did. So on Tuesday we started. We joined the procession from Father Clergy. Well, that was yesterday maybe. And yesterday we had a mass at with the fraternity. And today we have a procession to St. Peter. So
very good. So how do you find the atmosphere?
Very good. It's a bit hot, but everybody is in good mood. And you get to know a lot of people from all over the world who normally wouldn't meet. But it's very nice. Clearly the Germans, the French people, and just good to be here.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
And what do you hope for the society that this pilgrimage would bring? What would be the message to Pope Leo XIV by us being here?
That's a good one. I think we have to show that we're part of the church. So that we acknowledge that the Pope is there, and he's our Pope as well. We pray for him, and we follow him. And we just hope that we can re-enter the church or something like that. I would say that.
More formal or get regularized with the church.
Yeah. So we just be part of the Holy Roman Catholic Church. I think that would be a good outcome.
Very good. Thank you so much. We did have a wonderful time here. Mike Hicks from LifeSite News.
Hi everyone, this is John Henry Weston for LifeSite News. We hope you found this video insightful. For more content like this, be sure to check out the links in the description below. You can also follow us on social media to stay updated on the latest news concerning life, faith, family, and freedom. Thanks for watching, and may God bless you.